Hi, my name is Neil, and thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. It's very important that you watch the whole 3-minute video, because we are going to show you how we can save you thousands of rands and give you peace of mind. Attention all WordPress website owners, here's how we save you thousands of rands and give you complete peace of mind, should your website get hacked or your database become corrupt. According to statistics from more than 40,000 WordPress websites in Alexa Top 1 Million, more than 70% of WordPress installations are vulnerable to hacker attacks. WordPress is secure, as long as website owners take website security seriously and follow best practices. Best practices include, updating core WP files, plugins and themes, keeping responsible login procedures, using security programs to monitor your site, and creating backups regularly. Rebuilding, replacing or restoring your hacked website could potentially cost you thousands of rands. Not to mention the cost of losing all your data, and the legal implications of losing or exposing client data. Thirdly, the potential loss of business while your website is down. Our service minimizes the risk of this happening, and in the event of the loss of a website, we can restore it from a remote backup location. Our basic offering includes daily off-site backups on remote servers, daily updating of WordPress core files, themes and plugins, installation of cybersecurity software that protects your website from hackers and cybercriminals. We will also provide you with a monthly detailed report on work done together with relevant statistics. Skeptical as to the value you are getting? Of course you are. But stick with me and I'll make it worth your while. We will include the following important webcare services at no extra cost. We pride ourselves in over-delivering, and for a limited period of time we will include the following as part of your webcare package. 1. SEO. We will monitor your keyword ranking. 2. Monitor broken links, which result in both a bad client experience and negative SEO impact. 3. Uptime. We monitor your server uptime, which enables us to know if your website is down. 5. Analytics. We have 2 ways of reporting on your website analytics, leaving you more time to focus on growing your business and spending more time doing the things you love most. To summarize what you get: 1. Daily off-site backups on remote servers. 2. Daily updating of WordPress core files, themes and plugins. 3. Installation of security software that protects your website from hackers and cybercriminals. 4. SEO. We will monitor your keyword ranking. 5. Monitor broken links, which result in both a bad client experience and negative SEO impact. 6. Uptime. We monitor your server uptime, which enables us to know if your website is down. 7. Analytics. We have 2 ways of reporting on your website analytics. 8. A detailed monthly report, and at what cost? Only 395 Rand per month. No contracts. Click the button below this video to inquire. Now we are about to do something crazy. We will let you try out our offering risk-free. First of all, we'll register your account and set up your site with all the services and benefits. Secondly, we'll start the service with no upfront charges. We will only start billing you on the 25th of the month, when we will also provide you with a detailed report on work done together with relevant statistics. What does this mean for you? Quite simply, if it works and you are happy, then great. If not, you won't owe us anything. No setup fees. No management fees. No penalty fees. You pay us nothing until the 25th when you receive the first report on your website. Why are we making this insane offer? At some point you've probably hired a digital agency before, promising the world but not delivering a lot. So instead of giving you a 1-hour sales pitch as to why we are different, wearing you down to the point where you reluctantly say yes, we figured it's just easier to show you. So, let's show you. Hit the button below, complete the form and we will be in touch. Hit the button